Hello, and welcome to part 2 of our responsive website project. In this part, we are going to be designing our hero section. Let's get started. So we'll create a section with class name hero. Inside the hero section, we are going to create a div with class name hero content. And inside the hero content, we'll create another div with class name text content. So we'll define an h2 tag and give it a title. Then we create an h1 tag and give it the name beggar. This is going to be the highlight of our hero section. We are going to add a span element to the text content. Now we'll create a figure and give it a class name dish image, and inside we are going to put an image tag and link it to our hero image. Finally, we'll create a fake caption and then specify the price of our beggar. Now, let's move on to styling our hero section. We are going to give our hero section the same background color as our nav bar. Then we'll specify its width and also center the text within the container. For the hero content, we'll use Flexbox to create a flexible layout with space between the elements. We're also going to center the items vertically and add padding around the content. For our text content, we'll align it to the left and set the text color to a dark brown. Now, let's style the hero subtitle. We are going to set its width to fit the content, add a 16 pixel font size. We're also going to create a dash border with a dark brown color. Center the text, add margin at the bottom, and some padding around the text. For the hero headline, we are going to adjust the letter spacing, give it a large font size, and apply some text shadow to create a decorative effect. For the span element in the text content, we are going to give it a font size of 5 em. For the dish image, we'll add some margin to the left and set its position to relative. We are also going to set the width of the dish image to 80%. Now, let's style our price circle. We will set its position to absolute, align it to the bottom right of the container, add a red background. We'll give it a border radius to make it circular. And set its dimensions to 100 pixels by 100 pixels. A dashed white border. We're also going to give it a box shadow to create a visual effect. For the text in the price circle, we are going to set a large font of 2 em and remove any margins around it. That's all for our hero section. In the next part, we are going to be designing our meals showcase. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.